So first of all, let me thank this uh, entire team of conference under the chairmanship of Professor Naskar, and with the background support with the GoToWebinar of Param Prasad Rao, who is our beloved friend from Technobiz. And right from morning, I am attending this program, that is from 12:30 onwards. Everything is going very smoothly and fantastic program. My compliments to entire team of IIT Kharagpur and as well as Technobiz. Now, this is an opportunity given to me about to explain about our Indian Rubber Institute as well as Dr. D. Banerjee Center of Excellence, which is already come up at JSS Science and Technology Institution campus. About IRI, most of the people know what is IRI. It is an education institute of rubber science and technology, and the education of rubber science and technology, which plays a very important role in developing the technical manpower for rubber, tire, and allied industries. Rubber technology education all over the world is very limited, and before independence, most of the people were going to National College of Rubber Technology, London, and even to have their diploma or graduation courses in rubber science and technology. After the independence, the education in India was initiated by Department of Applied Chemistry, IIT Kharagpur, for the masters and PhD level, which is already explained by Professor Shantanu Chattopadhyaya today morning in this introduction meeting. And subsequently, it was spread to the other universities. Now you can see the pioneers in spearheading the entire rubber university is none other than Rubber Technology Center, IIT Kharagpur, followed by rest of the 24 universities and institutes and offering polymer science and rubber technology course in India. PRI, that means Plastic and Rubber Institute, UK, initiated the conducting licensure and diploma examination in India through PRI Indian Section Rubber till 1987 with the support of consulate offices Bombay, Calcutta, Delhi and Madras. Lot of our seniors, you can see, they all appeared this course and this consulate, and it is an examination. Then afterwards they award the certificate those who are successful candidate. During 1987, the PRI UK underwent a further restructuring, liquidating and merging with Institute of Materials. Now it is called as IOM3 at UK. This prompted Indian section of PRI with the idea of forming a very strong institute to continue all functions of PRI in India in the name of Indian Rubber Institute, which started in the year 1987 at Kolkata. It was formally inaugurated by Mr. N.H. Godfrey, then chairman of Council PRI UK, on 17 September 1988 at New Delhi. The present IRI has 8 branches located at Kolkata, Chennai, Delhi, Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Mumbai, Rajasthan, covering almost all the regions. And we have also one Center of Excellence, which is named as Dr. D. Banerjee Center of Excellence at Mysore, which I will be explaining later in my slides. IRI is a professional body working in the field of rubber and allied industries. IRI has more than 3,500 professional members in 8 branches all over India. IRI is a technical affiliate organization of American Chemical Society Rubber Division, and also it is a member of International Rubber Conference Organization, which is called as IRCO at UK. IRI is working very closely with Rubber Board of India, All India Rubber Industries Association, AIRIA, Automotive Tire Manufacturers Atma, Rubber Chemical Petrochemical Skill Development Council. Earlier it was called as RSDC, now it is called as RCPSDC under National Steel Development Corporation, Government of India, New Delhi, for training and development of people, and also organizing various training courses, workshops, seminars, national and international conferences. So you can see International Rubber Conference Organization, the schedule and calendar of event is already released by UK IRCO Management Committee. You can see IRC 2021, which is 27th to 30th June 2022, Then IRC 2022 International Rubber Conference is coming up, which is sponsored, which has to be organized by IRI at Bangalore on 24th, 25th, 26th, 3 days in the month of November 2022. So we can see other events also coming, 2023, 2024, 2020 in China, 2024 in Turkey, 25. It's all, now you can see another conference called RubberCon. RubberCon parallelly, there will be two events, that is International Rubber Conference IRCO, and another event is called RubberCon. RubberCon 2021 at Korea, RubberCon 2022 at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, RubberCon 2023 UK, and RubberCon 2024 is offered to India. Once again, IRA will be conducting, and RubberCon 2025 Sweden. So this is a calendar of event already agreed upon mutually between IRCO and the member countries. So about ACS membership, American Chemical Society has got a very big we can say a very big organization conducting technical symposia, rubber chemistry and technology journals, education workshops, webinars, online courses, technical publication, and lot of students are enrolling themselves to get their knowledge in this ACS rubber division for the rubber technology. What are the benefits if you are becoming a member of IRA? If you are becoming a member of IRA, you have to pay only $25 US. Otherwise, if you go through their website, you have to pay $100 US to become ACS membership. So this is an opportunity for Indian professionals, those who are working in IRI and the rubber industry as a member. They can definitely get enrolled themselves every year by paying. Roughly, it comes around 2,100 rupees per annum is a membership fee. So we have around 400 IRA members enrolled as a ACS member. And ACS member last 3 years back, 2017, the core committee visited, and they visited a lot of branches in India, and they have understood the activity of IRA. So this is a geographical picture of IRA located in various part of India, Delhi and Kerala at Kochi. Karnataka branch is in Mysore, as well as Dr. D. Banerjee Center of Excellence. It is a 9th unit of IRA, which is also situated in Mysore, and IRA Chennai, IRA Kolkata, IRA Gujarat at Baroda, IRA Mumbai and IRA Rajasthan at Kamkroli, Udaipur. So total 3,500 members. So this is a vision of IRA to become a premier institute of global reputed rubber technology education, training and skill development in the Asia Pacific region. To support the growth of personnel associated with the tire, rubber and allied industries, providing them learning opportunities of knowledge and skill upgradation in association with the Institute of National Importance. To enhance the networking among the global rubber fraternity by organizing international and national conferences, seminars, workshops in association with national and international professional bodies. So if you see this, we can easily make out that to promote and disseminate the knowledge of all aspects of rubber science and technology by holding meetings. So we are very closely working with the National Research Rubber Institute, rubber organization, providing training and people working in the medium and small scale industries to enhance their knowledge and skill in the field of rubber processing. Very important thing is, since 1986 or 1987, we are tied up with the IIT Kharagpur Rubber Technology Center to provide diploma in rubber technology and postgraduate diploma in rubber technology. And in collaboration with IIT Kharagpur, they'll be our major controller of examination. And last year, we have signed an agreement for further 5 more years. They'll be giving us all this assistance and help. Under their guidance, these examinations will be conducted. This is a well-recognized course all over the tire industry and rubber industry in India. This everybody in the resume, if they put DIRA pass or PGDIRA pass, they are getting the separate weightage. So now you can see, I would like to remember in this occasion who are all our past chairmen. Late Dr. D. Banerjee, late Dr. D. Bose, late Mr. Manu M. Patel. Manu Bhai Patel recently, just a week back, We have lost him. He's a great loss to the Indian fraternity. Dr. S.N. Chakravarti and late M. Jakaria Judge, he was our past area director of American Chemical Society. He was coordinating with the ACS. And Mr. P.K. Mohammed, who is the main brain of this IRA. This is the present office bearers. IRA will elect the office bearers every 3 years. This is for 2020 to 2023. The present office bearers are Dr. R. Mukhopadhyay, who is a director R&D of JK Tyre and Industries Limited, who is also chief executive of ACETRI, Harishankar Singhania Elastomer and Tire Research Institute, which is situated at Mysore as a global global testing center of JK, and he is our chairman of IRA Governing Council. Another icon is Sri V.K. Mishraji, is our vice chairman IRA Governing Council, and myself is a secretary general, and P.K. Mohammed, who is another office bearer, who is the core committee, was our immediate past chairman. Now we have recently elected Mr. Mehul Patel as a American Chemical Society area director for India. We can say a mobile encyclopedia of our IRA in rubber technology is Dr. Samar Bandyopadhyay. Dr. Samar Bandyopadhyay is chairman of Education Committee. He has got a strong team of 36 to 40 faculties in our IRA who are all dedicatedly working for IRA. Memorandum of Understanding we have signed with so many associations like ACS, Rubber Board, IIT Kharagpur, Mohanlal Sukhadiya University Udaipur, Vidya Bhavan Udaipur, University of Calcutta, JSS Science and Technology University Mysore, Rubber Chemical and Petrochemical Skill Development, which is RCP SDC New Delhi. So our branch at Chennai is having an interaction with MIT, Madras, Delhi branch Textile Technology Department, IIT Delhi, Karnataka branch JSS Science and Technology University Mysore, Kerala branch Cochin University, Cochin, Kolkata branch University of Calcutta and Rubber Technology Center IIT Kharagpur, Mumbai branch Bandra Polytechnic Mumbai, Rajasthan branch Mohanlal Sukhadiya University and Vidya Bhavan Polytechnic Udaipur, and Gujarat branch is having collaboration with Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda. So role of skill development of IRA as per skill mission of India, the IRA chairman is a member of governing council, including the main committee, core committee member who has developed NOS for rubber sector. IRA is actively involved in framing the NOS of rubber sector. IRA is affiliated training partner of Rubber Chemical and Petrochemical Skill Development Company. Recently, we have signed an agreement with RCP SDC, and we are planning to commence BO course in rubber technology at Dr. D. Banerjee Center of Excellence in collaboration with JSS Science and Technology University Mysore and also RCP SDC, NSDC, New Delhi. Recently, we have signed a tripartite agreement with these three parties. This is about the conferences we have conducted so far. You can see from 1993 onward, the conferences Delhi, 98 Chennai, and 2000 at once again Delhi, 2002 at Delhi, and 2004 at Mysore, 2006 at Cochin, 2007 at Udaipur, and 2010 at Mumbai, and RubberCon at Chennai, and 2015, and Asia RubTech in the year 2018, and now 2022 we are planning at Bangalore, IRCO at Bangalore, International Rubber Conference. This is a role of IRA in producing qualified rubber technologies in India. Since 1951 to 1986, LIRA London or LPRA London was there and GATPR London was there. Around 1,000 qualified and professional rubber technologies were come into the platform. Since 1987 to 2020, in association with the Rubber Technology Center IIT Kharagpur as controller of examination, we are holding LPRA, PGDRA, and DIRA qualification. So far, around 1,800 qualified and professional rubber technologies were produced by these two institutes, IIT Kharagpur and IRA jointly. This credit goes to majorly to IIT Kharagpur, and we will be always grateful to IIT Kharagpur Rubber Technology Center.
So now we are sorry, Mr. Rao, can you make it short? This one within
couple. And just quickly, I'll finish it up within 2 minutes.
Yeah, please.
Dr. D. Banerjee Center of Excellence. And this is a unit number 9 of Indian Rubber Institute, which is situated at JSS Science and Technology University, Mysore. 10th of March 2026, there was a groundbreaking ceremony. And afterwards, this is the building came up with the approximately we have spent around 9.75 crores for this 35,650 square feet building. Almost half an acre land has been donated to us by JSS Science and Technology University. You can see the logo of JSS Science and Technology, Mahavidyapita logo and IRI logo in this building. So what is the activities of Dr. D. Banerjee Center of Excellence to fulfill the objective of IRI and upgrade the skill of workers and get the qualified people, and providing training, increase productivity, efficiency for the MSME sector, and testing, benchmarking, reverse engineering, product failure analysis, compound development, all these things will take place in this center. Technology development of MSME sector, creating new avenues for MSMEs in rubber industry. To create center of excellence with well integrated forward and backward linkages. And we also would like to have a latest information about technology and process marketing and customers, and to coordinate with all these very premier organization in India to continue to offer diploma and postgraduate diploma rubber technology in association with IIT Kharagpur, and we are going to start Vivo course, which I have already explained. After installation and commissioning of testing equipments, machineries, BAS certification, enabled certification will be there. We have placed the order for tire testing machines and rolling nation R&R testing machines. It will be expected by around January 2022, and we are also participating, which I have already explained, at Hotel Sheraton Bangalore, 24, 25, 26. There will be a very big event of 1,000 delegates expected for this conference with the 200 exhibition stalls, 23 country participation we are expecting. This is a glimpses of the photograph of the building. These are all the classrooms are ready, boardroom is ready, and this is one auditorium is coming up. This is the present construction of the auditorium, 225 seat, and after finishing it will look like that. This is the architect view. So in a nutshell, IRI is sharing knowledge, and we believe in sharing is learning. Thank you for your kind listening.